Woo! Hello! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today, we will have another unboxing of our Gunpla right here. Not Gunpla, but an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of our Beyblade X BX45 Samurai Calibur 670M. So M is called Merge. Yeah, now I know the M. Okay, which I already unleashed this last time. And to be exact, this is a, let's say, I don't know if it's a predecessor or the advanced or the next evolved form of our Samurai Saber. But this is a BX, this is a UX. But, so I don't know which comes first on this one. Because yeah, I don't know. So let's go first here on the box. The box, which we already see it on my unleashing. Yep, and then here at the back, which we can see the blade, which is our right spinning, and then its ratchet is 670, and its bit is called Merge. That's why it's called M. And the owner is this girl. It's a girl, okay? That's a girl. So yeah, so much further for that part. Let's go and let's unbox this so that we can see the Beyblade itself. Okay, let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so we have it right now. So this the parts is the papers. Yeah, we don't need that, so I'll just put it that on the side. And now let's go. Let's see the parts of the Beyblade. So let's have first its blade. Oh, that's your blade. Nice one. Yeah, nice maybe. But it's a little bit square. Yep, something square. And then let's also have its ratchet. This is the ratchet is a 670. Okay, next is our bit, which is the Merge, which it's a merge. I think it's a combination of different kind of bit. This one is like on the bit, kind of the bit of this one, yeah, of our Samurai Saber. And then the other part, it has like a needle part right there, as you can see it. Okay, so now let's combine, or let's put them together so that we can see now the form of our Samurai Calibur. And that's it. And as they said, this is one of the highest form, or the, yeah, it's the highest. Even it's 70, it's very high because of its bit. Yeah, you can see that. So it much more goes on the rail right there, on the rail of our stadium, because it's much more exposed. Okay, so yeah, so in order to see the function of this, let's try to have a spin test first. Okay, so let's have a spin test. Ready? Samurai Calibur spin test. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. See that? It has much more opportunity to go on the rail. But right now, because it has like a kind of needle part on the bit, it kind of goes off defense right now. I think it's much more of a stamina. Yeah. So, let's see some battle together with some other Beyblade. And because this is the same owner of the Samurai Saber, so let's have a Samurai Saber versus Samurai Calibur. Okay, so Samurai Saber versus our Samurai Calibur. So let's have the Samurai Calibur first, and then our Samurai Saber. Ready? Ooh, this is the first game. Let's try. So they will have 3 rounds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, oh, that's a great hit from our Samurai Saber. Oh, but that's a win for our Samurai Calibur. Yeah, nice game for these two. Another round. So that's a win for our Samurai Calibur. Another one with our Samurai Saber also. Ready? Second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, goes back. But the stamina of our Samurai Saber. Oh, another win for our Samurai Calibur again. Okay. But again, our Samurai Calibur is very high. So I think Samurai Calibur much goes more on stamina and also for defense. So another and last game for these two. Okay, ready, set, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, and that's a win for our Samurai Saber for the last round. Nice one. Okay, so that's a win for our Samurai Saber for the last round. But in total scores, our Samurai Calibur wins for that. So we're done with the Samurai. So let's have a Knight. So let's have a Knight Male versus our Knight, or Knight Male versus our Samurai Calibur. Okay, so let's have first the Knight Male because we know that Knight Male is much focused on defense. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Ooh. Great hits. Oh, but here we go with the scrape of our Knight Male. But, whoa, Knight Male still wins on that part. Okay, and a win for Knight Male. So that's our first game. Now let's go to our second game. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Oh. Who will win on this one? It would be for... Oh, that's for Samurai Calibur. So they have two. Same. They have 1 all score. So yeah. So it will be the last round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh! Let's have another one. There's no contact with the two. Okay. So there's no contact. So let's have another battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Let's see who will win. There's no contact yet. Here we go. Oh. Ooh. Oh. And, oh, it goes back, man. Oh, but still, Samurai Calibur wins. Nice one, man. I like that. Okay, so Samurai Calibur wins. And the last one, we have now the Samurai versus a Knight. And now let's go with a Wizard. That's the Wizard Rod. Okay, we know Wizard Rod. We know it. It's strong. It's a meta. So let's see if Samurai Calibur can go withstand with the Wizard Rod. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa, you can see that stability of our Wizard Rod. See that stability, man. Whoa. This will be a battle of stamina. No contact. Ooh. Ooh. But the stamina of our Samurai Calibur is getting out. Same with our Wizard Rod. But, okay, it's a loss for our Samurai Calibur. Wizard Rod still goes on. And yeah, that's the first round. Now let's go for the second round. Let's see for the second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Ooh, Wizard Rod really hits hard, man. Because of its very circular form. Can really hit hard. But also can withstand all those attacks. Yeah, another win for Wizard Rod. Wizard Rod is still meta. Okay, and the last one right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh! Here we go. Oh! It hits so hard. Ready, really hard. Yeah. Oh! Still Wizard Rod. Still so strong. The Wizard Rod is still so strong. Okay, yeah. So, I think I still want one more game for this one. And I would like to have the very new for me, which is your Rock Leon. Yeah. Let's try the Rock Leon with the Samurai Calibur. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa! That's a very strong one, but that wild move of our Samurai Calibur takes toll to its stamina. So it's already wiggling and getting out of power. Wow, my cell phone goes my camera goes out at the side. Okay, so that's a loss for our Samurai Caliber right there. And I'm sorry, my camera moves. Okay, oh yeah, let's go with the second round for these two. Let's see. Woo, ready, 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Oops. Oh, that's a strong one from a Rock Leon. I'm getting to like this Rock Leon, man. Even it's a video for our Samurai Caliber. Oh, second round still got the Rock Leon. Rock Leon still wins for the second round. So okay, so our third and last round for these two. Woo, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot, shoot. Get the last. Oh, that's so wild. Because of the very circular form of our Rock Leon, it really has a strong or long stamina. Oh, and that's it. Ah. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Rock Leon, you won. Okay, so that's our Samurai Caliber, and yes, I see the Samurai Caliber has also has that potential. But yeah, because maybe because of its beat, which is very high, yeah, even it's just only 70, it really takes the toll on getting smashed on the or get the contact on its ratchet right there. Okay, as you can see, there are some more scratches at below, not above with its blade. Okay, so yeah, so that's our Samurai Caliber in 670M. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. So if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to inform for our next video. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Woo.